Hello everyone, good morning. So, nagluluto pala ako. Let's cooking. Good morning guys. Siguro natin yung aking kilikili may buhok. May buhok ang aking kilikili. Hindi pa ako nagkahit ng kilikili. So, nagluluto ako. Ayan, nagluluto ako ng ayan guys, yung rashes ko. Rashes. Pero pagaling na yun. Pagaling na yung aking rashes. Tikman lang natin. Kulang ng salt. More salt. More salt. Chicken tinola. So, ayan. Yung ating. Kung luto na siya guys, malambot na so pwede na siya. Ating chicken. Ayan. Para tanghalian. Thank you so much guys for watching. My rashes is not, but it's almost soon is bitter. A little. Magiging okay din siya guys. Kasi hindi na siya masyadong makati. So, bawal muna ako ng chicken at saka ng fish. It's so hot here. Sobrang init guys. Grabe. At yun lang. Thank you so much guys for watching and welcome to my member. Thank you so much for joining. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching.